Hello learners, this is me Tulika from Textbook Super Coaching, and today we are going to solve the question paper 1 of Kerala set or 2024. So the question paper in front of me is this और आज हम इसको solve करेंगे. So the first question is Cooking to Save Your Life is a cookbook containing a collection of recipes authored by an Indian Nobel laureate, and the correct answer for this is C. Abhijit Banerjee. Next question. The day declared as World Football Day by United Nations recently is 25th of May, that is B. So learners, the correct answer for question number 2 is B. Question number 3. The farmer for Kerala honored with Padma Shri 2024. So here the question is based on Padma Shri 2024 for preserving over 650 traditional rice varieties. The correct answer is Satyanarayan Baleri, B. Next, whoever intentionally or knowingly captures, publishes, or transmits the image of a private area of a person without his consent, violating the privacy of a person, is punishable under which section? So, question number 4, the correct answer is A, 66E. So, learners, please take note of question number 4. Question number 5. In March 2024, India successfully launched 5,000-kilometer range nuclear missile with MIRV technology, which can deliver multiple warheads at different location in a single launch. What was the name of the mission? So ये March 2024 का nuclear missile के ऊपर question है, and the correct answer for this is Divyastra. A. A is the right answer. Question number 6. Proponent of continental drift theory is. So as you all know, इस पेपर में काफी सारे questions current affairs से भी आते हैं. तो ये जो question है proponent of continental drift theory, the correct answer for this is Alfred Wegener, D. Next question. Which of the following disease has been nicknamed as blue death? तो इनमें से कौन सी ऐसी बीमारी है जिसे हम ब्लू डेथ की तरह जानते हैं? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज डी, दैट इज कॉलरा. Question number 8. How to avoid a climate disaster? So who has given this entire thing? So it was given by Bill Gates, right? So author of this book, How to Avoid Climate Disaster, was written by Bill Gates. Next, we have Sangam period and their authors. So one side we have the period mentioned like Kunda Lakesi, and the other side we have authors. So the correct match to this is B. Learners, please take note of it. A is 3, B is 4, C is 1, and D is 2. So the correct answer is B. Next question. Antares recently in news is an. So Antares, which was in news these days. So it is basically a star. D is the right answer. The IIT which was granted a patent for its cost effective inverters. तो इनमें से कौन सा IIT है जिसने एक पेटेंट जिसको ग्रांट किया गया है बिकॉज इन्होंने कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव इन्वर्टर्स बनाए हैं? दैट इज IIT Patna. Next, question number 12. The art forms from Kerala which have found a place in UNESCO list intangible culture heritage. So which is the correct answer? So we have certain question options given, and the right answer is 3 and 4. Kodiyattam and Mundiyetu. So that means C is the right answer, in which 3 and 4 are the options. Next, the astronaut who has spent the maximum time in space. So कौन से ऐसे astronaut है जिन्होंने सबसे ज्यादा समय space में दिया है? So the correct answer is Oleg. So C is the right option. Question number 13. So we have to identify the indirect taxes from the given list of taxes. So we have custom duty, stamp tax, entertainment tax, and service tax. So for this, all these taxes, all taxes are types of indirect taxes, right? These are all indirect taxes. Next, the question number 15. The mega air exercise the Indian Air Force will host in August 2024 expect to bring 12 global air forces. So what are we talking about here? Yes, so the correct answer is Tarang Shakti. Tarang Shakti is the right answer, that is A. Question number 15. So question number 16 is little blurred. However, here we have to identify the correct statements. यहाँ पे हमें group of nations से correct statements pick करना था. So question number 16, the correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. So 4 is the wrong answer. We need to eliminate it. 1, 2 and 3, that is A is the right answer. So question number 17 is about the finance commissions in India. So we have to identify the correct statements about the finance commissions. Yes, finance commission. So the correct answer for this is B, that is 1 and 4 only. So these two statements are correct about the finance commission. Next, here the question is, if 221 is equals to 215, 321 is equals to 315, 421 is 413, so 521 is equals to how much? So just as you can see, there's a difference of 6 in here if you see the pattern, and here is the pattern of 8. So in the similar manner, we can have a pattern of 8 for question number 18. So in that case, the correct answer will be 513. Right? So yes. Now this is the the meaning of the sentence has to be derived. Anil got it in the neck for being late. So what exactly it does it means? Question number 19. Yes. So it means that Anil was severely punished. Anil got it in the neck for being late. That means Anil was severely punished for being late. Question number 12. You have to choose the best option, which is closest in the meaning. So he has the habit of taking the bull by the horns. So for this question number 20, the correct answer will be C, doing something decisively and bravely. So taking the bull by the horns is doing something very, taking decision and doing it in a very brave manner. So question number 20, the correct answer is C. Next question, question number 21 is, testator is a man who made a will. A woman who made a will is, what do we call it? Question number 21. It is testatress. C is the right answer. Question number 22. You have to identify the name of the capital of the country from the following clues. So it's a capital of South American country. The name of the capital is same as the main character of Old Man and the Sea, Ernest Hemingway. The protagonist of the novel Alchemist of Paul Coelho has also the same name. I believe this is a good guess enough. The correct answer is Santiago. D is the right answer for question number 22. Yes, for question number 23 is an assertion based question. So internet is collection of interconnected computer networks linked by transmission mediums such as fiber optic cables, transmission wires, wireless connection, etc. Because World Wide Web is collection of websites or web pages stored in web servers and connected to local computers through network. So question number 3, both are individually correct, but it is not explaining each other, right? So one is talking about internet and one is explaining worldwide net. So next question is question number 24. In February 2024, the lander of a private US spacecraft, the first American lander on the moon since 1972, touched the surface of the moon. What is the name of the lander? तो यहाँ पे lander का नाम बताना था. Yes, and the correct answer for this is Odysseus. A is the right answer. Bhanu Athreya, the first Indian to win an Oscar award, won the award for excellence in. Yes, question number 25. It is costume designing. D is the right answer. Quite straightforward question. You have to identify the games which are not included in 2024 Olympics. इनमें से कौन से ऐसे games हैं which are not included in 2024 Olympics? And the correct answer is cricket is not included. Tennis, of course, is there. Tug of war is not included. Volleyball is there. So 1 and 3 are the options which are not included. So correct answer will be D. Question number 27. As per Malayalam calendar, Kolavarsham, the Gregorian calendar year 2024 is exactly, now how do we translate it? It is 1199 to 2000. That is C. 27, the correct answer is C. You have to identify the correct statement with reference to International Day of World's Indigenous People. So there are some statements related to International Day of World's Indigenous People, and the correct answer for this is D. There are two statements are absolutely correct. That is, it is observed on 9th August each day, and the theme focus on issues like land right, cultural heritage, education, health, and social inclusion. The theme of 2023 is indigenous youth as the agents of change for self-determination. So these two statements are absolutely correct. Question number 28, the correct answer is C. Question number 29. Dash is the least electronegative element and dash is the most electronegativity element in negative element in the periodic table. So least and most. So least is cesium and fluorine is the most. So A is the right answer. Question number 29. A is the right answer. So question number 30 is little not very clear. So which following body is associated with surety bonds that protect the party involved in the transaction or contract from potential financial loss caused by the breach of contract or other types of non-performance? So it is IRDA, that is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Question number 30, B is the right answer. Now next question is, what is juice jacking? So the correct answer for this is, it is that juice jacking is a type of cyber attack where the hacker rig publicly accessible USB power charging station like those found in airports, railway stations, malls, etc. with their malware or hardware modifications to illegally access data on connected mobile devices. So juice jacking is very common these days. So next question is, two persons P and Q were born on the same date, and so it's based on calendar. Question number 32, and the correct answer is Friday or Saturday. Now here we have percentage. So quantities N, A, B, C, D, E are related as so and so, and there has been a increase in percentage. So what is the percentage increase in N? Question number 33, and the correct answer is 80%. Right? C is the right answer. Now, what is 6 into 6 into 6 strategy, which is often seen in media, is related to? So 6 into 6 into 6 strategy किस चीज के साथ associated है? The idea is reducing prevalence of anemia in women, child and adolescents through life cycle approach. So 6 into 6 into 6 strategy is reducing the chances of anemia in women, child and adolescent. Question number 35. Which is the major Harappan seaport and major trading center which is located along the Bhagwati River, a tributary of Sabarmati in the Gulf of Khambat in Gujarat, famous for dockyard. So the correct answer is Lothal. We had been studying about this. Question number 36. Athula's Mushkuvamas Kavya gives a semi-legendary, semi-factual account of the king. Which king has been talked about here? The correct answer is Izimala. B is the right answer. Next. Again, it's little blurred. It is about three people doing work in respective days. So in terms of fraction, question number 37, the correct answer is 9 1 by 6. So how many three-digit numbers lies between 200 and 500 in which 4 comes only one time? Question number 38. The correct answer is 139. Next, you have to select the most appropriate synonym for the word abrade. Abrade, the most closest word which goes is veer away. Abrading is something which gets veered away. So what is the least four-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves a reminder 2 in each case? So the correct answer for question number 40 is B. B, sorry, yes, it'll be B. It'll be 1022, right? Yes. Now here is a coding. In a certain code, if airline is written as then railway will be written as, it has been solved also here. Yes. D is the right answer, right? Now, 5 balls of different colors are placed in 3 different boxes such that any box contain at least 1 ball. What is the maximum number of different ways in which this can be done? So, 150 is the right answer, that is D. Question number 43. Astronomers have made a puzzling discovery detecting a rare and incredibly high energy particle falling to the earth named after a Japanese sun goddess is causing confusion as it appears to originate from an apparently empty region of space. Question number 43. The name given is Amaterasu, right? So A is the right answer. There are 3 cities in India which have joined UNESCO Global Network of Learning Cities in 2022. So we have to name them. Question number 4. So it is Thrissur, it is Nilambur, and it is Warangal. So A is the right answer, in which 1, 2, and 3 are the right options. Question number 44, A is the right answer. So question number 45 is little not very clear. What is Hanuman? So question number 45, it is a multimodal AI tool capable of generating text, speech, video, and more across various domains such as healthcare, governance, financial service, and education. So question number 445, A is the right answer. Recently, Food and Drug Administration, FDA, United States, approved the world's inaugural vaccine for chikungunya. What was the name? It was Ixchiq. So A is the right answer. Question number 46. Question number 47. You have to identify the plants which come under Schedule 6 of Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. So out of these, question number 47, all these all these four, 1, 2, 3, and 4 have been included in Schedule 6 of Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, right? It is cycad vanda, orchids, and red vanda. So next is question number 48, which is based on the ratio. So question number 48, the correct answer will be 72.2 lakhs. And for question number 49, the correct answer will be 44. It's little blurred. I'll share the PDF with all of you on the Telegram channel. You can match it further. The theme of International Women's Day 2024 is, what is the theme of National Women's Day? And the correct answer is invest in women, accelerate progress. Question number 50, correct answer is A. RISE. RISE stands for, it is the government scheme to design curriculum and credit framework for 4-year undergraduate program released recently by UGC. Please take note of it. Yes, question number 52. If conjunct is convincing, then banal is ordinary. C is the right answer. Question number 52. 53. Which department of Kerala recently launched Operation Amrit in the state? So Operation Amrit was launched by Drug Control. B is the right answer. In recent ruling, the Constitution Bench of Supreme Court held that electoral bonds violate citizens' right to information under which article? It was very much in news these days, and the correct answer is Article 19(1)(a). So here we have prizes and the person who were awarded this prize. So question number 55. The correct answer is D. So A is 3, B is 2, C is 4, and D is 1. So this is the right answer. Who is the present director of NCERT? So Dr. Dinesh Prasad Saklani is the present director of NCERT. Question number 56. Yes, the correct answer is C. The classical dance form which originated from Gujarat is Garba. The imaginary line that separates Earth's atmosphere from space is Brandt line. B. 58. B. No, it's Kármán line. Sorry, it's Kármán line, which separates Earth's atmosphere from space. Yes, Kármán line is the right answer. 58, A is the right answer. So next question. The Padma Shri Award winner poet, popularly known as Lok Kabhi Ratna, who is associated with this term? Question number 59, it is Haldar Nag. B is the right answer. You have to identify the correct statements related to Madhika language. So statements which are related to Madhika language which are correct. Question number 60. And all these 3 statements. Madhika is a language with no scripts and is a blend of Telugu, Tulu, Kannada, and Malayalam. In the remote colony of Konkanam near Karivellur, Gram Panchayat, Kerala, the Chakalya community is grappling with the immense loss of this unique language, Madhika. And Chakalya community was originally nomadic, scheduled caste, and worshippers of Tiruvenkatarama and Mariamma. They migrated from hilly regions of Karnataka to northern Malabar centuries ago. So A is the right answer, 1, 2, and 3. Auto education or self education is emphasized by. So basically, it is given by idealists. We'll be going with the idealists because Pluto's name is associated with it. Question number 61, but this is little doubtful because naturalist also works on this lines. So auto education or self education was basically given by Plato initially, and pragmatists also highlight on this. So this question is little doubtful. Question number 62. Which among the following is not a part of traditional Indian culture? So, restructuring of values is not a part of traditional Indian culture. 62 ka the correct answer is D. 63. So, 63 is music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination. So, this entire concept, question number 63, is being given by Plato. Yes, so C is the right answer. So question number 64. Concept formation involves. When we talk about concept formation, it talks about both abstractizing and generalization. Child apperception test, that is CAT, for personality measurement. It was question number 65. It was developed by Balak. Now here we have the types of intelligent theories and the combination. Question number 66. And the correct answer is A, as it has been matched, right? So model of intellect, Guilford; multiple intelligence, Gardner; multi-factor theory, Thorndike; and emotional theory, Goleman. Question number 67. Here we are talking about formal operational stage, right? Jean Piaget's formal operational stage, and we have to give the characteristic feature. Yes. So formal operation stage is the stage where the child creates several form of logical thoughts. So D will be the right answer. Which of the following is a form of research typically conducted by practitioners to help them solve local problems? So local problems is the word action research. The unsuccessful achievement of certain skills lead to inability to perform as expected at certain stages. What do we call this kind of developmental? We call them tasks, developmental tasks. A is the right answer. The area of philosophy that deals with nature and origin of human knowledge, epistemology. C, 70. C. If an 8th standard student understands the logical connection between ideas and concepts, which of the following life skill is he demonstrating? He's doing creative thinking. C. Evolving a human learning society through the advancement of knowledge. Which national agency has put forward this vision? This was given by NIEPA, NIEPA. Question number 72. Yes, question number 73. Curriculum inputs are implicitly provided to learner by organization through various means. Implicitly, that means not expressed openly. So we are talking about hidden curriculum. Consistency of a measuring tool. When a tool is being consistent over and over again, it is called reliability. C. Digital audio content distributed over internet. So digital audio content distributed over internet is known as podcast. Question number 76. 11th November is celebrated as National Education Day of India from, it started from 2008. You have to identify the most appropriate strategy for promoting creativity in classroom. So brainstorming is one such activity. For assessing the predictive behavior of students, which of the following is most appropriate? So prediction, if we want to predict, अगर हम students के behavior को predict करना चाहते हैं, so the ideal test is prognostic test. Question number 79. In asynchronous e-learning, communication between the participants occur offline. So since it is asynchronous, this generally happens, or it happens offline. Question number 79A. Question number 80. Which of the following outlines a methodology to rank institutions across the country? Yes. So ranking is being given by NIRF. NAC is accreditation, right? It gives accreditation. NIRF is for ranking. Question number 81. LMS, RUSA, evaluation and counseling. You have to match them. And the correct answer is B. LMS is Moodle. RUSA is higher education. Counseling is rating scale. Evaluation is rating scale, and counseling is eclectic. There are different ways of guidance and counseling, so eclectic also comes under it. So next is question number 82. So identify the correct statements. Planning is essential requirement for good administration. Yes. And educational administration involves optimum use of resources. So both 1 and 2 should be the correct answer. Yes, because planning is of course required if you want to do a good administration, and educational administration involves proper or optimal use of resources. Question number 83. RPWD Act came into force in the year 2016. Please take note of it. 2016 will be the right answer. Reducing the environmental impact of technology is known as green computing. B is the right answer for question number 84. FIACS, that is Flanders Interaction Analysis. 85. Flanders Interaction Analysis Category System is the right answer. So question number 85, A is the right answer. The mode of grading where grades are given based on predetermined cutoff level is known as absolute grading. So where there is a predetermined cutoff level, that we call as absolute grading. Which of the following is not true in case of institutional planning? Question number 87. Consider felt needs. Yes. Optimum utilization of resources. Yes. Prepared by particular institution. Yes. So limited utilization of resources is not the case of institutional planning. So this is the right answer. Question number 88. Classroom management is providing safe and comfortable learning environment. Question number 89. In educating the differently abled students, IEP stands for. So IEP is generally individualized education plan. Individualized education plan. So this will be the closest. IEP, individual, it's individual. Ideally, it should be individualized. Generally talks about inclusion, right? Because we are including differently abled. So, but IEP, the correct full form is individualized education plan. So we'll go with C as the closest option. You have to identify the correct order of following stages related to Erikson's psychosocial development theory. Question number 90. So the correct one is D. Autonomy versus shame and doubt, initiative versus guilt, industry versus inferiority, and identity versus role confusion. So Erik Erikson theory के से ये question है. In Rogers' perspective, the compassion and recognition of potential of each and every individual. We are talking about Rogers' perspective. It talks about unconditional positive regard. So question number 21, the correct answer will be D. Now, who did Bodo doll experiment? Operant conditioning. I believe this has easily been done with the help of these two clues. A is the right answer. So Bobo doll experiment was done by Albert Bandura, social theory experiment, and operant conditioning is of Skinner, and human maze learning is Thorndike, and latent learning is Tolman. So A is the right answer for question number 92. 93, slide not very clear. A cluster of dysfunction that is characterized by extreme self-absorption, repetitive motor activities, and impairment of language and conceptual skill is known as autism. Question number 94. Several responses to an event are possible. Those that led to reward tend to become more strongly associated with the event. So it is law of effect of Thorndike. Question number 95. We have to match. And yes, B is the right answer. Life space is associated with Levin. Information processing is Ebbinghaus. Creativity is Passy, and animism is Piaget. So B is the right answer. The ceremony of initiation of education in Buddhism is known as Pabja. Question number 96. 97. Our secondary education remains weakest link in our educational machinery. Now this was being made, question number 97, this was being made by Radhakrishnan Commission. Mudaliar Commission was brought after that. So C will be the right answer. Here we have adult education, integral, progressive, and Vardha education. Question number 98. So C will be the right answer. Adult education, Lindman. Integral education, Sri Aurobindo. Progressive education, John Dewey, and Vardha education, Mahatma Gandhi. So C is the right answer. The ego defense mechanism that pushes unacceptable thoughts, memories, impulses, or desires beyond conscious awareness is repression. So B is the right answer. Question number 99. Question number 100. The extent to which a test measures what it is supposed to measure is said to be as validity. That means it is valid for that particular thing. So B is the right answer. Question number 101. Match. The correct answer is C. Genetic epistemology, Piaget. Pedagogy of the oppressed, Paulo Freire. Identity and life cycle, Erikson. Mind and society, Vygotsky. So 101, C is the right answer. Yes. 102. The collective term for all therapeutic treatments based on psychoanalytic principle that use psychological rather than physical or physiological means is psychotherapy. C is the right answer. 102. So you have to identify the correct statement about a slow learner. So these are the statements given. Question number 103. The correct answer is his or her thinking skill develop at notably slower than peers. Delay in achieving developmental milestone. Normal intellectual growth comparing with peers. Always poor physical growth. So pure physical growth will not be there. So 1, 2, and 3, 103 will be the right answer. Here we have matching. Question number 104. And the correct answer is B. So interaction analysis has been given by Flanders. Programmed learning against Skinner. Teaching machine has been given by Pressey. And cone of experience has been given by Edgar Dale. Next, who defined curriculum is a tool in the hands of artist to mold his or her material according to his ideals in the studio. Question number 105, and this was given by Cunningham. Yes. 106. A test designed to measure relative accomplishment in specific area of academics is achievement test. 106 A is the right answer. Yes. 107. If an exceptional child is enrolled in a regular classroom and goes to special room for specialized instruction, this room is called a resource room. C is the right answer. Question number 108. The National Organization for Propagating Culture Among College and School Students is CCRT, Center for Culture, Resource and Training. Center for Culture, Resource and Training. That is the National Organization for Propagating Culture Among College and School Students. Now here is an ADDIE model. Question number 109. So it is analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. So C is the right answer for question number 109. 110. Unintended or hidden consequence of a social institution is known as latent function. So you must have studied in heat, latent heat, which is hidden. So hidden consequence is associated with latent function. Question number 111. The expansion of NPTEL is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. Question number 111, D. 112. So we have interactive education. Just a second. sorry, we are in 112. Yes, 112. A comprehensive initiative that unifies digital online on-air education to enable multi-mode access to education is PM eVidya, multi-mode education. Question number 113. The correct answer is C. Interactive education is by Google Classroom. Cloud storage is Google Drive. Content portal is Netscape. And FOSS is Linux. So, yes, C is the right answer. 114. No citizen shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by the state or receiving aid out of state funds on grounds out of religion, race, caste, language, or any other of them. Which article of Indian Constitution are we talking about? Question number 114. We are talking about Article 29. Right? So it talks about the same. Question number 115. Select the department under which CMAT is functioning. It functions under general education, right? So 115 is C. 116. Which of the following strategy is not based on social constructivist approach? So guided learning is not based on social constructivist approach. A is the right answer. 117. Here we have ANOVA, plagiarism, qualitative research, and dependent variable. So the correct answer is B. ANOVA is used in statistics. Plagiarism is associated with Urkund. Qualitative research is grounded theory. And dependent variable is used in experimental design. So B is the right answer. 118. The sociologist who introduced the concept of anomie is Emile Durkheim. D is the right answer. Here we have different stages: foundation stage, preparatory stage, 26 focus area, 25 focus area. Question number 119, and A is the right answer. So foundation stage is associated with 3 to 4. Preparatory stage is 8 to 11. And 26 focus area is KCF, and 25 focus area is NCF. And last question. The first national policy, NPE, was promulgated by the government of India in the year 1968. That is D. So learners, these were 120 questions of Kerala set, which I have solved with all of you on best effort basis. In case there is any doubt in any question, you can comment in the mention in the comment, and do let me know how many questions have you got them correct. How many questions have you got correct? Do let me know in the comment, and in case of any doubt in any question, do mention that also. We'll try to get it rectified or cross check. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Take care. Bye bye.